playing in the Unitywater Lightning Cup.
They were great, they were very enthusiastic. Definitely just taught them some basic drills in terms of how to get free from your defender, and then also as a defender how you can cover your attacker. So super basic drills, but stuff that we still do at Lightning, just probably at a little bit of a higher level, but basic drills so that it can take into the Unitywater Lightning Cup.
We encourage all of the students coming along to the Lightning Cup to make sure they bring their reusable water bottles so they can fill up at our water on tap vans to help reduce single-use plastics and make a positive contribution to the environment.